Look at this shining trailer back here. It's making it hard for you guys to even see me. It's so bright. And that's where I want to be working today. We just finished up some work in our house and our entryway. It's looking beautiful, but we got to get back to this project so we can finish this up. But we have a little delay. Right here is our daily driver, and I don't know if you guys can see, but we have a flat tire. These tires have never gone flat on us before, and we came out and this one was dead flat, and I tried putting air in it over here. Oop. And I can't get it to hold air at all. Like, I can't even get it to move. I don't know, it's probably off the bead or something, but I don't know why. And it just, I'm pumping it, it won't go. So I decided that the best thing to do right now is to just replace the tires, because these are old and crusty and worn. They're pretty low tread and they're all cracked. I don't know how old they are, but they're old. They've been on there since we bought it. So let's just be safe and get new tires. The reason I'm telling you this is because this is the kind of real life delays that we don't show you guys that happens behind the scenes all the time, and it holds us up on our projects because real life happens. And a lot of you guys want to see so many things, and we're trying to get to them as soon as we can. We didn't give up on anything. We're working on our mobile home investment property, and we want to get back to that. But again, every month that we say, okay, maybe this month we can do it, something comes up, here's another $500. Boom, gone. That's the reality, is that right now we're going to work on this. While it's off, I'm going to check the brakes. We're probably going to do brakes. They do look pretty low. I got like an 1/8 inch left on that pad. Front and back, new wheels set, and we're going to be safe to drive. But that's going to put us behind, so try to be patient as we try to get back to work on the mobile home property. I'll give you guys updates as we can, and for now we're going to just work around here, getting done what we can, using up materials that we have, but doing some of the low cost jobs. Right now I'm just going to get these tires off. Because I can't get this to hold air, I'm going to throw these tires in the bus, and we'll drive them over to the tire store in the bus and have them set. So let's get that done. I think what I'm going to do is use my 12-ton bottle jack, because that's all I have. I don't know why, but I don't own a car jack. So the problem is this won't fit under our car because our car is pretty low. So I'm going to have to kind of get this thing lifted a little bit. Well, all of those were pretty loose. That's good. I mean, look at the rubber on this. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. See how cracked it is? I mean, it's just old dry rubber. I do have jack stands under here, just to be safe. That was quite the ordeal, just to take some tires off, but we got it done. Luckily, we have the excavator, and the excavator lifted it with ease. I should have thought of that sooner. I was kind of struggling for a little while. And so now we were able to get all 4 tires off. I know it doesn't look good, but this is just temporary, so we can run these to the store and get new ones. You know, honestly, this one doesn't look that bad. I think this has been replaced.
What's the brand? Uniroyal Tiger Paw.
Yeah, this just says multi-mile. That's all it says.
Literally all 4 tires are different from each other.
All 4 tires are different, she said. I did not know that. I never really cared to look at the tires. Apparently, we have 4 completely different tires on this car. So
That's weird.
we're gonna run these to the. We're gonna throw them in our bus. Luckily, we have our bus, so we can still get around. This is just more convenient to drive around. So we're gonna throw these in the bus. We're gonna bring these to the tire shop. Hopefully, get some tires. I think it's gonna take a few days to get them in. So for now, this is fully sitting on solid wood under all 4 sides, so it can't tip over. It's not a hazard. It's very solid. Yeah, so we're gonna load these up and then we'll see what else we can get done. So I guess we've decided to just go ahead and move forward on just doing these brakes. I actually have the brakes, the pads and everything ready to go, so we're just gonna do them quick. Another thing that happened just this month, just recently, was we had to pay our property taxes. We have 2 properties, keep in mind. As we work around our properties, you just have to be patient with us because we can't always get the jobs when we want to. We got to juggle real life, behind the scenes life, as well as our projects, and they are not cheap. Home renovation is not an inexpensive hobby to have, right?
Can you call it a hobby?
Yes.
No win.
I'm taking this rotor off. It doesn't look too bad, but it is worn, and there's a lip here, right on the edge. And it can be resurfaced. Look at this. Brand new. There we go. Nice and tight. All right. Another side done. Looking good. And before you think we went out and blew money on these things, we've actually had these rotors and these brake pads since we bought the car. When we bought this, we bought them because we were going to just do them. We never did because we've been busy. We got a nice little surprise back here. Screw is stripped out. I don't know why. Yeah. Let me take the pads off first, I guess, and we'll figure it out from there. That bit is dull. This bit's too big. Oh, that did it though. And I was able to get the screw out of there. See that? Look at these little baby brake pads. Tiny. All right, well, we're starting to clean up now because I finished the last one. This one was the hardest one, gave me a really hard time. And I fought through it, got some filth on me, got a little beat up, but we got it done. And now, look at this, new brakes, new pads, we're gonna have new tires. We got new tires. Looking good. So now we have a matching set of tires. We're gonna get those on the car. You hear the excavator going, you know what that means. We're gonna be lifting the car again. So let's see how these look on there. Oh, I can't put it on because it's hitting the wood block. So we have to lift the car now. And there it is, we got the car rolling again, and that's gonna be awesome to not have to worry about that anymore. We have a way of overcomplicating our jobs, but we do get them done, and we make do with what we have. Sometimes it might not make sense, like using an excavator to lift a car instead of a car jack, but we did the job. And those tires have been needing to be done. I guess it was just time.